Here's how to watch and upload videos on YouTube at the highest quality. Now let's head into the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. The first thing that I would recommend doing is tapping on You at the very bottom right. And then let's tap on that gear icon at the very top right. You can see at the very top, let's tap on General. And then you can see Stats for Nerds. Now keep in mind, on a computer, I'll tell you how to access this, but on a phone, you need to turn on Stats for Nerds. And this will be helpful to be able to see the quality that you're currently watching it in. So let's go back out of here and I'll show you an example where you get into one video. So let's say this video, and I wanted to make sure I'm watching this at the highest quality. I can tap on the gear icon at the very top right. And from here, you can see quality. But instead of that, I'm going to tap on More. And then you can see Stats for Nerds. I'm going to tap on that because I want to see the stats for nerds. And you'll be able to see view. It's a little bit small here, 1206 by 681. And you can see the volume, the audio, the video codec, all of that stuff, 720p. It'll give you a lot more information. If you're on a computer, all you need to do is right click on the video itself and then select Stats for Nerds to be able to see this. And then if I tap on the gear icon and choose quality, I can bump this quality up to the higher picture resolution. And you can see just by doing that and hitting play, it will play the higher resolution. However, this is for one video. Let's say we want to do this for every single video and not have to turn it on or bump up that resolution for every video. Let's hop out of here instead and tap on You at the bottom right. And then tap on that gear icon at the very top right. From here, all we need to do is scroll down and you can see playback. Let's tap on that. And you can see on here, autoplay. Oh, that wasn't it. Actually, it's quality here. Tap on that. You can see the quality initially is auto or recommended, but I would recommend switching this to higher picture quality on all of these. So you can see for mobile networks, this is when you're on cell data, and on Wi-Fi. Again, you want to be on highest audio quality, highest picture quality on all of those. You'll get the best resolution when watching videos. However, there's two other places that you can change. One is when you download videos. So let's go back out of here and instead tap on background and downloads. You can see here, I want to turn on download over Wi-Fi only. This will help to be able to download the highest resolution videos, but also download quality. It might also set to ask each time or high or medium, but we want to switch this to full HD, allowing the highest resolution to be able to download those videos. Now, this is for watching videos, but let's say you're uploading videos and you want it to be the highest resolution as well. To be able to do that, let's go back one and go back two. You can see on here, you're still in the settings in the video and audio preferences. Let's tap on uploads here. And you can see upload quality. If you tap on that, it might be set to 720 or 1080p, which will limit the quality of any of those uploads on your computer or your phone for this account. We want to switch this to full quality. This allows you to upload up to 4K resolution videos into YouTube so they're super crisp and clear. After you've done all of those things, keep in mind the quality might be limited by your iPhone, Android camera, or whatever camera you use on your device. So you might also want to go into the settings and then scroll down and tap on camera here. And there you can see is record video. Now, if you're recording video at 720p, then essentially, even if you upload a video and allow it to be up to 4K in YouTube, you're limiting it on your phone. So we want to switch this. I usually keep it at 4K, 30 frames per second, which is what I upload YouTube videos at. And then you get super crisp and clear videos from your phone over to YouTube without any loss of quality.